unboxing a p400a Eclipse, and it's a p400a RGB. So this should be quite an upgrade. This is going to be my gaming PC. I've been waiting for this part for a month because of everything that's going on with Amazon. Alright, let's dig into it. This is what I'm going to be building my workstation in. Or computer that I edit on. What a nice case. Sort of the lighting here is not really great. There we go. Your fingerprints on it already. Real glass. Woo! Upgrade. Okay. Put this over here. Let's see if we can get a good view in there. And turn on some more light here. Help any? No? Very nice. Lots of space in it. And take a quick check. I looked on YouTube, and this was in here. This here case had the best review. Magnetic filter for the top. Didn't come with any extra parts or anything. Those are in there way too hard. Oh. Nice dust tray for the power supply. Very, very tight. There's already quite a bit of wire management done for the RGB that is included with it. So it's very nice. They've even got a few nice zip ties or cable ties there in place for all the RGB controllers. It's hanging down in there. And all the good stuff that comes with it. The extras. There's almost an inch of space in it. It's very nice. Very, very nice. I can't wait to build on it. That'll be nice. That'll be next. I'll be putting something in it. I'm gonna have to. I thought there was a rear fan in this, but there wasn't a rear fan included. I'm not too happy about that because I was expecting one, so I don't have one. So that kind of isn't good so far. So I'll hope they give me something magical in here. See what we get for accessories. Zip ties and fan screws. Oh, lots of screws and zip ties. That's it. It's the Eclipse P400a RGB. So this should be quite a nice addition to my gaming computer. I found my old case. I bought a cheap $60 case. I didn't do a review on it because I wasn't doing reviews at the time. But it's getting too hot. And even though I have extra fans put in it, I put Noxual fans in it, it's still overheating. So today I'll be converting all of my PCs that I have around, which is 3. So let's see if I can unhook you here. So I have that one, and I have that for the power supply over there, and my main computer is downstairs. So I'll be putting all of the PCs, all the best parts are going to go in this one here, and I'm hoping this is going to be quite the upgrade to my computer. So far I would definitely recommend this, but I'll definitely have a follow-up video coming up. And I'll let you know how it is to build in it. I'll do a build video, and I'll actually have an opinion on it once I have some experience building in it and using it. I won't be able to give anything except for just it looks nice. It's got lots of room. It looks easy to manage. There's already RGB. Other than that, for a real case scenario, I'm going to have to put a power supply in it and a motherboard in it, and actually use it for a little while to see if this upgrade was worth it. I went from a $68 case to $140 after shipping. So, is the extra dollars worth my money? I'm going to find out. Stay tuned if you guys like and subscribe to videos. If you want to see more content, I'll be putting out a couple more videos. If you guys want updates on this, definitely stay subscribed and stay tuned, because I'll definitely be doing a follow-up and an update video for this here case here. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe.